Monica? Monica, where the hell are you? You stupid girl, I'm getting late. Give me my coffee.
Wait, I'm just coming in 2 minutes. See, here's your coffee. You know what, Sanjeev? Whenever you treat me like a queen, I fall in love with you again and again. Your presence makes me feel alive, and your absence makes me feel that I'm not living my life. When you are there in front of me, I'm ready to do the better with all the hindrances.
Are you crazy or what? Let it go. Where is my watch?
On the second shelf. Listen, baby, you're such an amiable I have ever seen. I love you.
I know I'm amiable, but I'm getting late. Now I'm leaving.
Okay, bye. Have a good day. Do you remember this place? First time we met here. That's why I brought you here.
Yeah, I remembered.
Let's sit there.
Okay.
Do you remember, Sanjeev? First time when we came here, you fell down there and everybody was laughing at you. But I did laugh because I love you.
Sorry, what did you say?
You know what, Sanjeev? I always say those 3 precious words to you, but you never reply. I don't know why, but now you have to say them.
Monica, nothing is in I love you. I just came here with you, isn't it love? I took out my some precious time from my occupied schedule, isn't it love? If I should say those 3 precious words, would you be happy?
I'm not asking you to say it every time, but at least once a week. How would I get to know that you love me? You should express your feelings towards me, shouldn't you?
Monica, if you're going to do these kind of things again and again, I'm not gonna come here next time.
Are you castigating me, Sanjeev?
I'm not castigating you, but you are behaving like a child. You are literally so irritating, girl. I'm fed up with these words. I cannot say them, Monica.
You know what? This is not working between us. It's really not working.
You don't need to tell me it's working or not. And did I come here for seeing these kind of things?
You wanna lose me, Sanjeev?
To lose you? What does that mean?
I'm going to fall off now.
Oh, you are going to fall up. You are going to fall up the cliff. Just go then and fall up the cliff. People who just die, they just die. They never tell. And do you want me to get scared by saying these lines?
Think about it twice, Sanjeev. I'm going and I'm leaving you.
Monica, just come back. Monica! 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 Monica, what are you doing? Please come back.
No, I will not come until you say those 3 precious words to me.
Monica, please try to behave like a sexist person. Do you know where are you standing?
I know, but you never show your feelings towards me. That means you don't love me, Sanjeev.
Monica, I just brought you here for having a visit this place. And you're ruining this day, Monica.
So what? But you never show your affection towards me, feelings towards me. That means you don't love me, Sanjeev. I don't know where is this love. I can't feel it. I can't touch it. I can't even see it. I'm going. I'm leaving. My heart can't take time anymore. I'm leaving.
Monica! Monica, what did you do? Monica, you should not have done that. Oh my God. You should have thought about me. You should have thought about us. About me twice and thrice. Oh my God. You wanted to have me say I love you. I didn't say that. It happened just because of me. God, you have snatched my mother. You have snatched my wife also. Monica, why did you have me stay alive? Please, take my life also. I don't want to live now anymore. Monica.
Couldn't you see? My bag has fallen down onto the floor.
Sorry.
Sanjeev, remember me?
No?
Are you Akshita? We studied together in the college.
Oh yeah, you're Achita. Now I'm recognizing you.
You surprised me. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm great. Tell me about yourself. How's your life going on?
Achita, don't ask me about it. Literally everything has been snatched from me. My life has been spoiled, and my wife literally committed suicide.
What? Monica?
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm not believing it. Why did she commit suicide?
Because of my arrogance. She wanted me to say I love you, but I didn't say. I killed her.
Sanjeev, don't blame yourself. Try to manage yourself. Everything will be fine like before. I don't want you to forget her, but try to focus on yourself, on your career.
She literally left me. When she was alive, I did not care for her. I used to keep scolding her in infinitesimal things. I used to misbehave with her, but she used to take care of me. Whenever I used to require her, she would be there without asking me any question. What is the exigency of being there? If she wanted, she could have interrogated me, but she never interrogated me. Why? What are you doing? Where are you going? For what reason you are having me do this work? She never asked me this kind of question. And she used to take care of my little things. Whenever I asked her to do any work, she never refused. And I literally lost her. She wanted me to coddle her, mollycoddle her. But the thing is that I got fail in that. I lost her.
Just calm, Sanjeev. Whatever God has done for our betterment only. Have faith, don't lose hope. And Sanjeev, actually, I wanted to tell you something from a long period of time. I don't know how to say it. I have been liking you since our college time. I love you. Will you marry me?
What? I'm an insane person. Why do you want to marry to the insane person? She died just because of me. And I'm misfortunate. Will you be misfortunate?
Sanjeev, I'll transform you from insane person to a good person. Just be with me. I'll make you happy. I'll do whatever you want me to do.
Sita, you are so beautiful. You can get better than me.
I don't want better. I want you only. I want you to be with me. Sanjeev, that's fine if you're not having feeling for me now. But in future you will have. I'm assuring you that.
You are irritating me by saying these lines. I'm going.
Sanjeev, but celebrate once about us. I want to marry you.
Akshita, don't bring these kind of topics. If next time we are going to meet, so don't bring these kind of topics.
Sanjeev, but
Bye.
keep one thing. Sanjeev,
Bye.
wait, Sanjeev.
Hey Dad, how are you?
I'm good, but I'm not happy.
Why Dad? What happened?
You're not looking happy. I can see it. Whatever is happening with you, I don't want to see it. If it goes on like this, either you'll destroy yourself or you'll destroy us.
Oh Dad, nothing is like that. I'm happy.
I can see that pain in your life. I cannot see you in pain. She has gone. It is the rule of God. Whoever comes in this world has to go one day. Just because of her, you can't ruin your life.
What are you saying, Dad? I cannot forget her. And even I don't need anyone in my life.
You want me to see happy and healthy?
Obviously, Dad, I have nobody except you.
Then promise me.
Dad, first of all, I want to know what kind of things you want me to do.
You need to first promise me. Then I'll tell you.
No, Dad, first tell me.
Don't you believe me?
Yes, Dad, I definitely believe you.
Then promise me.
Okay, Dad, you born. I'm giving my words to you. Now tell.
I know one girl. And you also know her very well. She's your college friend, Akshita. Do you remember?
Yeah, Dad, I know her. And I met her yesterday. Did she talk to you?
Yes, she talked to me about you. You are supposed to marry her.
What? What are you saying, Dad? I cannot marry her. Even I don't love her. I loved Monica only.
You can't deny now. That's why I took your promise.
Oh, Dad, but I cannot marry her.
Don't you want to see me while being happy?
Yeah, of course, Dad. But try to understand.
You have altogether forgotten yourself. You can't see. I can see because I'm your father.
Dad, I'm fine. I'm doing my job. And I'm happy in my life. Nothing is wrong with me.
If I die, who will take care of you?
Dad, I'm happy.
No, you're not happy.
Dad, what is happening with you? Dad, please, Dad, open your eyes. Dad, please. Dad, open your eyes. Dad, yeah, Dad, I will do marry with her. Please, Dad, wake up. Dad, please take your medicine. Dad, please. Dad, I will do marry wherever you want me to do marry. Dad, please. Definitely. Yes, sir. Yeah, Dad, I will do. Please take that. Dad, take that. Please, Dad. Dad, wake up. Take that. Take that. Dad.
I'm so happy.
Don't get more excited. I'm doing this marriage because of my father.
No matter under whose pressure you're doing, you're marrying me, that only matters. Sanjeev, what is happening?
Monica? Oh God, am I dreaming?
What the hell is going on? And Sanjeev, why are you taking your feet back? Listen, leave him. He's my husband. Haven't you told her, Sanjeev?
Yeah, she's my wife.
You have to marry me. You cannot ridicule me in front of everyone. Stay away. You forgot me, Sanjeev? And you're doing second marriage in presence of me? How much I loved you. And that's how you're paying me back.
Did you see? You made her cry. Get up, Monica. Get up.
Sanjeev, why are you not understanding? She's just gathering sympathy by crying. What is she saying, Sanjeev? You also love her?
No, it's not like that, baby. I still love you. And you don't know how much I cried for you.
You're concerned about her, and I'm nothing. I'll not let her snatch you from me.
Akshita, she has come back. My wife has come back. I can't marry you now. Just stay away. Where were you? You know, I searched you everywhere. And you don't know how much I cried for you. And you wanted to listen that three precious words. Now I'm saying to you, I love you, I love you. And please forgive me for that mistake. I will not do that again. And again I'm saying to you, I love you so much.
Love you too, Sanjeev. You know what? I was in a small village, and one old aunt took care of mine. Take those to me. How could he? I was the opposite. He did very wrong thing. He has to pay. He has to pay.
Don't move, otherwise I will shoot everybody.
You love her? You love her? I don't want you to be with her. Is she crazy?
Now you're showing me your different face.
Just wait. Just wait. I'll show my real face to you. You are mine. Sanjeev, you are mine. Sanjeev, you are mine. Sanjeev! Oh God, what did you do? Sanjeev, please, Sanjeev, wake up. Sanjeev, wake up. Sanjeev, please, Sanjeev, wake up. Akshita, please, Akshita. You loved her? You swindled me. You have to pay. You wanted to see my real face? That's my real face. Whatever is mine is only mine. I cannot share it with anyone.
You stabbed me. Please leave her.
Akshita, please, Akshita, leave me. I'll give you whatever you want. Money or
leave her.
whatever. But please, Akshita,
Akshita, please leave her. Akshita, please leave her.
Don't cry.
Akshita.
I'll take it by my own.
Akshita, no.
See you last time, Sanjeev. I'm killing her. I'm killing her. Akshita, no.
No. Akshita, why did you kill her, Akshita? Akshita. Monica, please get up.
She is dead now, Sanjeev. She is dead. How are you feeling, Sanjeev?
Why
Are
did
you
you kill
feeling
her?
fine? Just let me know once, Sanjeev. She is dead.
Why
She
did you
is
kill her?
dead. I killed her. I want you to live in grief.
Why did you
But
kill
you
her?
bitch me. That's what you want. I did it.
You should have killed me. Why did you kill her?
I killed her because I wanted to see that pain, helplessness on your face.
It would had been nice if you had killed me.
I am not going to kill you, dear. I am not. Because I want you to feel each and every pain which I felt when you left me alone in that wedding pavilion.
Have you done now?
Sanjeev, why are you lying? Open your eyes, Sanjeev. We can still do marriage. The Sindoor is ready. Everything is ready.
No,
Why?
but-
Get up, Sanjeev. Get up, Sanjeev.
Now what do you think? I will to marry with you? No.
Sanjeev, I did this because I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart.
God is seeing you. You are a curse on the earth.
Sanjeev, you know the mistake which I've committed. I cannot expiate it. Sanjeev! 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 What I have done? I killed 2%. I killed 2%. I shouldn't have done this. Sanjeev was right. I am the cursed. I am misfortunate. I am misfortunate. My humanity is vanished. After what I have done, I killed 2%.